JavaScript, the number is used to calculate for computer. So when for example, let's say 3 plus 4, then the returns is will be 7. So when calculating the data type number should be input, but not a string. So if the 4 is a string, then the returns is 34, because the computer added 3 to the string 4, then it just added. So let's check the type of the number. So it shows a string. So if 4 is a number, then it returns 7, and the type is number. So let's solve the question. It equals 12.